Hey guys, Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today I have two different sets of pack outs that I want to share with you guys. I have the DeWALT one, it's a little bit smaller here, and I have this big guy from Milwaukee that's a monster pack out here. So let's take a look at these guys and see which one works best for you. We'll start with the smallest pack out to begin with here. It's got a great latch system. It's a nice little tool case, nice durable handle, but the latches I think are pretty secure. You have the reinforced sides also, a nice secure lid. You also have these little pack out trays that are always good. You can adjust and take the sleeves out if you have parts that are a little bit bigger. And you have this one that I love because I'm forever losing reciprocating saw blades, so they fit perfectly in there. The lid does tilt back and forth. It does not have a lock, but that's okay. This unit all in all is pretty good and nice and tough. It's a good kickoff to this series. Up next is the middle level. This is actually one of my favorites because it's a great size. It's deep enough to carry a couple impact drivers or even circular saw. But you have a nice handle on front and a handle on top. You get the same great latch system. You get the reinforced sides, and look at that space in there. All in all, this is probably the one I'll use the most because it is the most convenient. So on to the big guy that you can actually buy separately. You have reinforced sides, you have handles on the sides for easy carrying, you have big wheels for the job site, and one of my favorite things is you have these little hooks here that you can do strap downs on. On the inside you get another little storage tray, and look at all the space on the inside here. This is a monster unit and this is the base of it. Now for something a little bit more compact, we'll look at the DeWALT here. This is definitely for small parts organization. If you're an electrician, you're taking lots of small parts to the job site or any sort of smaller hand tools. What's great here is that it is actually waterproof. You see the yellow rubber around the edge there? That's a waterproofing layer, so if you leave this out in the truck and it gets rained on, you don't have to worry about moisture getting into any of your pieces there. Each of the layers are customizable, so you can take out the little slides there and you make bigger spaces for other tools. But what's nice is they are stackable, and you can buy each of these separately and you can add as many as you would like. So definitely one of those things that if you're into work that has smaller parts, this is one that's going to be the best for you. It's compact, it's convenient, and it's easy to take with you on the go. Alright, so you have both of these pack out systems that are a little bit different. It all depends on what you're working on. This one right here from Milwaukee is absolutely heavy duty. It's one of the toughest pack out systems I've seen, especially with all the reinforced sides, the hard plastic, the latches. The lock-on system is one of the better ones I've seen also, looking through different companies. So that one's always nice. It is big and bulky though, but if you're taking stuff to a heavy duty job site and you got a bunch of stuff that you need to take with you, it's good to have big and bulky. If you're used to hauling around small parts, try not to laugh. The DeWALT is a great one as well. You can buy each of these layers separately. What's the game changer for this is the waterproof seal. If you're throwing this thing in the back of your truck and it gets rained on, you leave stuff out there, or you're out in the elements, it's definitely worth looking into if you're hauling around small parts and you need something a little more compact to take with you. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed these reviews. If you want to check out more, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here. And make sure you look at the next video right here. I think it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. So make sure you watch the next video. And thanks for checking out LazyGuyDIY.com.